Ile wizi iliangusha NHIF mpaka kukuwa na madeni ya bilioni 30. Haiwezi kufanyika ndani ya SHA. We will make sure the digital system, the digitization process of SHA is what is making us to detect all the fraudulent claims, all the ghost hospitals, and all the fake patients that are attempting to carry out fraud.
SHA is not a reform. SHA is a grand calculated scam. We have uncovered evidence of deep-rooted conflicts of interest. The government has now resorted to arbitrarily reject claims, punishing facilities that raise concerns about SHA. A clear tactic of intimidation. When you are told that SHA is working, that SHA does not work. As we resume from recess, we want to put together a commission of inquiry so that we get to know how much money has been scammed from Kenyans through these schemes.